Hey everyone, Maik Kleinert here. Today Dylan and we going to 3 vegan and vegetarian places. It's a super hot day, it's like 40 degrees and the air is way better. And yeah, just check it out, and we just going to the first place, which is Booty Tree.
Mike, how are you?
I'm pretty good, like camera, making YouTube ready, vlog ready. I was recording some with the Suzuki camera when I was driving. So what's happened, Dylan?
So I was shooting and this taxi pulled up, so I'll wait till it goes so I can keep vlogging.
I do my part, yeah, I'm awake, I give it to you. I do my part, yeah, I'm awake, just
Here right now with Dylan, and yeah, we're waiting for our fresh smoothies and then food. You're hungry?
Starving.
Nice. Yeah, this is a really nice place. It's a really nice atmosphere here. This was a piece of paper. I don't know what this bird did. I don't know if I want to eat this. This is not for birds. It's the same with plastic. Shit. Got it. So this is a really nice place here as well. Some local yoga teachers coming here and they're doing some yoga sessions, so it's really nice. So what Dylan does here is he's positioning the person with the light from the right side, so they get some nice light in the face.
Today we have fruit salad. Fruit salad.
So we got a lot of food. Lotus, that's the name from the owner here. He gave us a lot of different type of food. Like we had a burger, and then here's a pizza, and there's some really nice smoothies. So what I did, I put a line here with the different kind of smoothies, and also I photographed from this side because the light is coming from here, to not to take photos from the shadow side, more from the light, like the nice and bright side. So yeah, that's how I do the photos here. And what I'm using is a Sony A7 Mark III with a Tamron 28 to 75 millimeters, and it's a 2.8. So I did a couple of food photos. Can't wait to taste this, and yeah, everything is vegetarian and vegan here. So I'm super hungry, and now let's go eat some.
So the food has just arrived. What do you think, Mike?
So delicious and so fresh. I really like the bread.
Yeah.
So smooth curry. Oh my god. The taste is really, you have a creamy taste, it's not so spicy. Oh, it's incredible. It tastes so good. We've got tons of food here. So we have a vegetarian pizza. There's some egg in, but you also can order it vegan. Hello, I just recorded the whole time. I recorded the whole time and I was just like putting the curry in the wrong throw. I'm sweating so much because I eat the curry and it's outside 40 degrees. So yeah, it's a good burning. That's burning season. Now you know why it's burning season.
Alright, so we're taking some of this food out to the staff because we can't finish it all and we hate waste. So, who's hungry? Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
And one
So
more.
we're finished now here. We're having some good food, and yeah, all the stuff is outside now. We had a good say goodbye, and now we're going to the next place. We have 2 places left, and really exciting to see how the other places are. This one was amazing. It's such a nice area here. Like, I really love Thailand. So now we're jumping on the scooter, and then we are going to the next place. Really exciting to see.
The taste of heaven.
Taste of heaven. Let's go into heaven now.
So we finished all, honestly, the food, hang on, is it? Honestly, the food and the service there was You ready, Mike?
I'm ready. Let's go to the next place.
Let's go.
So we are now going to the next one, Taste from Heaven.
I'm away. Just let it go. I do my part.
Spicy cauliflower or honey bag.
Okay,
We're here now in the next restaurant. It's called Taste from Heaven, and she also is the owner from Vegan Heaven here. So it's pretty nice to have so many vegan places here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So I'm setting up everything here for some food photos. I'm looking, the light is coming from this side here. Outside side is a little bit dark.
Cow soy vegan, and then deep fried ice cream with banana and vegan brownie.
so the food has just arrived.
Food photos are done, and now we're enjoying the coffee.
All right, cheers. Here we go.
Oh, really good. The coconut taste and banana. Oh,
Oh, are you gonna let me try some or what?
you wanna?
Yeah. All right, so
There we go.
we're gonna try this signature dish, which are the money bags.
It's really tasty. Oh, I like the mix with the sauce.
Right. Oh yeah, Mike. So, it's actually presented in a hollowed out coconut, which is a great touch. Oozing out of that. You gotta try some of that, Mike.
How spicy is it?
Not very spicy. It's just the right amount of spice.
Oh wow.
How good is it?
Oh my god, that's really nice. I didn't expect this. I expected it's like really spicy.
Yeah.
But that one is so creamy, and like the coconut make it so mild. Wow.
Oh wow, that is nice.
But it's
Isn't
so spicy, it's coming later.
it? Oh, you think it's too spicy?
Stick time. So it's really nice. It's red curry. It's a really nice taste. It's so spicy. I usually don't eat so spicy. And the coconut milk here makes really like mild, and it's a really good taste. Some sauce here. You ready? I'm beautiful. Thank you so much for having us here and for the delicious food.
Bye. Take care. Yeah. See ya. Bye. Take care. Look after yourself, okay?
Yeah.
Not too much sweet. See ya.
So the food was very delicious. Now we're going to the next one. And yeah, so far it's like we're still a little bit hungry. You're hungry as well a little bit? Come on, just a little bit.
I suppose I could squeeze something else in.
Yeah, we can. We're going now to a vegan fast food place. And yeah, really exciting to see how it is there and how the food tastes. We are right now at the next place called Munchi, and it's a vegan fast food restaurant to eat like similar to McDonald's, but just you have vegan food. And it's really important because, like, you know, McDonald's is everywhere, so we should have some vegan or vegetarian places everywhere as well. We just ordered some food. It's pretty nice, and they don't use plastic as well for when you get a cup. It's like a corn cup, so it's pretty nice. Also the fork, it's all recycled.
So we're here at Munchies, which
So we ordered some fish and chips, some burger, some chicken burger, and some delicious bean fries. So behind me you can see what you can order here. So it's like McDonald's but in vegan option. So you can order green bean fries, or you have a coconut milkshake, strawberry taste, what we get now. Some really nice nacho box, chicken burgers, everything, and it's all vegan. And my favorite already are the fish and chips. So I'm really excited to taste them. Hey Dylan,
hello, how are you?
are you hungry?
I'm starving. And you know what? I like this place because there's a really good message here. Not only are they serving delicious vegan food, but it's also very good for the environment.
I'm trying right now the fish and chips here. This is actually a banana flour flavor. Flour.
Flour?
Flour.
Flour.
Flour. You know, flour.
Banana flour.
Love it. I love it.
Mike loves it.
Oh man, I can't stop eating this. It's the best. Fish and chips. And the sauce, they have some, the dip here is with dill, and I love it. Dillon.
So Mike's got the vegan strawberry coconut shake there. What do you think?
Oh, it tastes really good.
Does
It's
it?
really fresh.
Fresh. Does it taste like a milkshake?
Yeah, it tastes like a milkshake, but it's also not so sweet.
Yeah.
So what you usually know, like so sweet, but that one is like really nice. There's no added sugar. Definitely no. The vegan chicken burger.
And I'm gonna go with the. Like it? Show the camera inside.
The taste. Woo! So we finished in Munchies eating some delicious food, some fast food, and now we are just going home, having a rest and exchanging our files.
For sure.
Right, then see you in the next one, and subscribe our YouTube channel, my one, and from Dylan. Check it out.
Are you full, Mike?
Oh, I'm super full and just want to go home now. Rest time.
Yeah.
Alright, see ya.
See ya.
Still here.
Bloopers.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.